Dragon Medical Practice Edition, Software Installation, and the Profile Creation Wizard. The installation of the Dragon Medical Practice Edition software is very simple. Prior to the software installation, be sure to close all applications and turn off or disable antivirus software. Also, please remember, only one version of Dragon can be installed on your computer. The software installation requires an internet connection to complete the product registration. When you launch the program for the first time, you will need to activate the product. This step also requires an internet connection. After product activation, you will see the Profile Creation Wizard. The Profile Creation Wizard will step you through the process of creating your user profile. Almost every step in the Profile Creation Wizard has been designed to improve the user's recognition accuracy before the profile is even opened for the first time. To begin the wizard, enter the user name. Select your age group. The voice changes with age, and Dragon is able to recognize and distinguish between the voice characteristics and speaking styles of different age groups. Selecting your age group is the first step in helping Dragon to increase your recognition accuracy. In the next window, help Dragon identify the words you say. Select the region that you are in. Dragon will use the region selection to configure the auto-formatting options, such as date, number, and currency formats. Also in this window, select the vocabulary you want to use. I will select General Medical. Then click Next. Help Dragon understand how you pronounce words. Dragon Medical Practice Edition has 9 accents to choose from. Letting Dragon know what accent you speak with will help to improve your recognition accuracy, as Dragon can better understand how you pronounce words. How do you talk to your computer? In this step, select the dictation source you will be using. Then click Next. Review your choices. Click Back to make changes or click Create to continue. You can also select the Advanced button to choose a specific speech model. When Dragon Medical Practice Edition is installed, it analyzes the computer's resources, specifically the processor speed and the amount of RAM memory. The software then automatically selects the best speech model and vocabulary type for the computer. Dragon also recognizes the accent that was selected for the user profile when it chooses the speech model. For example, with the accent of Standard and this computer's resources, Dragon has selected Best Match 4, which has the greatest recognition accuracy on multi-core systems with at least 2 GB of RAM. If the system resources were different, Dragon might have chosen Best Match 3, which has the greatest recognition accuracy for English speakers using single-core computers. So, meeting or exceeding the recommended system requirements will help Dragon to select the best speech model to improve your recognition accuracy. Click Cancel to close the speech model's settings, or click OK to save any changes made. Then click Create, and Dragon will begin creating your user profile. Position your microphone properly, which is very important for your dictation accuracy. Dragon will adjust your volume. Dragon Medical Practice Edition has all new text to read for the volume check and quality check for the microphone. Click the button Start Volume Check and read the text out loud until you hear a beep. While you are reading this, the computer will adjust your microphone volume settings and then beep to signal that the process is complete. When the volume check is finished, click Next. Dragon will test the quality of your sound system. Click the button Start Quality Check and read the text out loud until you hear a beep. For Dragon to recognize your voice accurately, it needs to check the quality of your audio system and your microphone. When performing the quality check, you may see this message: the sound quality is unacceptable. Dragon Medical Practice Edition has higher standards for the quality of the audio input than previous versions of Dragon Medical. This is another improvement designed to increase recognition accuracy. If you see this message, click OK and start the quality check again. When the check microphone is complete, click Next to continue. Read text aloud to train Dragon. In this window, you can choose to read the training text. Performing the general training is very important because it allows Dragon to adapt to the way that you speak. In Dragon Medical Practice Edition, the training is a minimum of 4 minutes. If you select the option Show Text with Prompting, this will display the text for you to read in several windows as you are prompted with an arrow. Welcome to General Training. Training is about to begin. Select the text you would like to read and click OK. Please read this text at a normal pace and with a normal tone of voice, as if you were having a conversation with another person. The training option, Show Text Without Prompting, presents you with a Read Training Text wizard that steps through the general training. Click Next, and there are several options of text to choose from. And you have the option to read the text from the screen or from a printed page. This option for the general training is very helpful for someone that may need a little extra time to read the text. Click the Train button, then click Begin Training, and read the text out loud. The speech recorded counter increments only when Dragon hears you speaking. This training option requires only 4 minutes to complete. You can pause the training at any time and then resume later. You also have the option to skip training. As with previous versions of Dragon Medical, you can perform general training at any time through the Accuracy Center. And now the user profile is being updated. Let Dragon automatically improve your accuracy. This is the accuracy tuning feature. It is enabled by default to run the acoustic analysis every Monday at 2 a.m. and the language model analysis every day at 3 a.m. Having Dragon perform this analysis is very important for improving your recognition accuracy. In this window, you do not have the option to change the schedule for the accuracy tuning. However, you can disable this feature by removing the check mark. Help us improve Dragon. This is the option to participate in the data collection process. If you select Run Data Collection, the software will periodically send speech, text, and associated data to Nuance, where the information will be used to improve future releases of the product. You can also select Don't Run Data Collection, but remind about this later, or you can select the option Don't Run Data Collection. I'll select Run Data Collection and click Next. Congratulations, your profile is ready for use. This is the final window of the Profile Creation Wizard. If you click the button Open the Dragon Tutorial, you will see the new Dragon Tutorial feature. The Dragon Tutorial is an excellent resource for information on using Dragon Medical Practice Edition. You can review the main topics of getting started, dictating text, correcting and editing, and using applications.